Apple keeps changing your iPhone with every update. Honestly, some of the changes can make your phone annoying to use. You can't just go back to the previous iOS that you were used to, but you can change a lot of these features back to the old way. And I'm going to show you 5 settings you can change right now to make your iPhone feel normal again. First up, the Safari address bar. If your address bar is now at the bottom of the screen and you absolutely hate it, you're not alone. Apple changed this a while back, and a lot of people still prefer the old layout with the address bar at the top. Thankfully, this one is super easy to change back. So grab your iPhone and let's go into your settings. Once you're here, scroll to the bottom and look for apps. Tap there. Now you can scroll or you can type in Safari at the bottom in the search bar. And then here, we're going to scroll down and look for the tab section. You'll have 3 options: compact, bottom, and top. But if you prefer for it to be at the top, simply click that option. And now you can see if we go back into Safari, you'll see our address bar is now back at the top the way it always used to be. Next up, the Mail app. Did your email suddenly start getting sorted into random sections like primary, transactions, updates? Yeah, that's the new layout Apple added, and it's called categories. A lot of people prefer the old layout because with categories, important emails can get buried or missed completely. Luckily, you can switch it back to the classic list. Simply open your Mail app, and at the top, you'll see 3 dots in the top right hand corner. What you can do is click on it, and then you have list view and categories. See, now we have categories selected, but tap on list view. That's it. Once you do, all your emails show up in a normal inbox once again. Third, the phone app. Apple changed the way the phone app looks, and a lot of people immediately noticed. It just felt off. Instead of the classic layout that we were used to for years, you don't even have the option for voicemail at the bottom. Thankfully, we can switch it back to how it was before. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 lines. Click it, and you have 2 options: classic and unified. We're going to choose classic, and now it's back to the way it was before. Next, screenshots. Every time you take a screenshot on your iPhone, you get that pop up. It allows you to crop it, edit it, which is nice, but it can get in the way, especially if you're wanting to take one quickly and move on. Thankfully, we can turn this off completely. All we have to do is go to our settings. We're going to look for general, and then we're going to look for an option. Scroll down some that says screen capture. You'll tap there and turn off full screen previews. And now you can see our screenshots saved normally instead of giving that preview. Last, we're going to talk liquid glass. Some people love it, some hate it. Honestly, I think it looks really cool. But after the update, a lot of people find their iPhone became harder to read. Buttons blend into the background, notifications can look washed out, and everything feels a little more transparent than it was before. Now, you can't turn it off, but we can make it easier to read. Let's go into your settings. And from here, we're going to look for the display and brightness section. Tap on it. And you'll see an option for liquid glass. Tap on it. And you see now it's clear, but you can switch it over to tinted, which makes everything a little bit more darker. You can notice that in the arrow. As we go from clear to tinted, it gives it a little bit more of a background. Now, we'll go back to the beginning of settings and look for accessibility. Tap on that. Here, you're going to look for display and text size. Tap on it. And turn on reduce transparency. This is going to give our backgrounds a darker look. And as we pull down the control center, you can see that clearly here. Hopefully, one of these settings helped your iPhone feel normal again. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe because I post simple iPhone tips, fixes, and settings videos just like this all the time. If there's another annoying iPhone change that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.